Well, well, well.
Wasn't ready for all that, man.
Well, look at this. We got a nice fancy shirt here. And we got another nice fancy shirt here. Which can only mean one thing. What does it mean?
In-persons. In-persons.
2 in-persons today. How many contracts we getting?
3.
Oh!
Okay, 1 today.
I like where your head's at.
Shooting for the stars, man. If I shoot for 3, maybe I'll get 1, you know?
There we go. What's up, dude? Happy Monday. Let me get another prediction.
It's gonna be an awesome week. Hopefully we can find some buyers for some of these properties that we're trying to close. We'll see what happens.
Hello, Cody.
Hello.
Yeah, let me see this camera real quick.
This is weird. I don't like this.
Well, hello. How's it going? I'm Cody, and I'm Scott Oots' content creator.
This is what we need today. After lunch, this is what we need to get all these phone calls cranking.
So on one of the last episodes, we said monsters are for Mondays. It's a Tuesday, which means Tuesdays is the Red Bull day.
What about Wednesday?
Wednesday. I don't know, Lindsay, what's Wednesday?
Spend money day.
Scott's not gonna like that.
I know.
So I do quite a few things here. I actually design, create, edit all of Scott's social media content, all of the vlogs that you guys have been watching. I edit and throw those together. I've designed most of our company's new logos. I paint outside of work, and my artist name I go by is Code, just my name really short. And I've actually painted a really cool piece that was in our Newport office, our Newport studio, and that carried over into this office, which you see right when you walk in. I was able to paint something for Sean for his 1 year that shows his military background. That was really fun. And then I've painted stuff for people in the industry through Scott, like for Pace Morby, did something for him because he did a favor for us, and that turned out really well. Why am I telling you all this? Well, I wanted to get in front of the camera because I wanted to showcase kind of the things that make our office unique and that make our office, you know, people don't want to come to work and just be in like a box. The things that are around us, the things that surround us, you want to kind of pop and give people inspiration and just make them feel, you know, happy and just give a good vibe every time you're in the office. And so hopefully I've been able to do my part and kind of liven up things in that way. One of my last big projects was actually getting our company's mission statement right there on the wall. Right when you walk in, you'll see it. It's huge, you can't miss it, and it's right in front of our conference room so everybody can kind of read it and always see it. But that kind of might be covered up by my next biggest project that Scott had me do, which is awesome. We're actually getting our core values done on this like frosted glass, and we're putting that on every single panel on the conference room windows. I'm excited. They should be coming any day now to do the installation. But we also have just even more cool creative things coming up for the company. Maybe some company car wraps that I had a little hand in. So you guys will have to keep watching these vlogs, and you'll have to see how they turned out. Let's see what happened next.
Dude, what happened?
We got another one, baby.
Yeah, it's in La Habra, close to like Whittier, Fullerton area. It was a week-long negotiation. I actually went to the property 2 times, solidified it on the 2nd, and yeah, so she rang the bell without anybody knowing, so.
So Scott and Jess are still in Switzerland. We had a goal of 10 contracts while they were gone. We're right now sitting at 8, so we're shooting for these last 2 for the rest of the week before they get back.
We are back in full effect. Scott and Jess are back in the building. We are all systems go, trying to make a dollar.
Okay, ¿qué pasa, buen día? Well, Spanish speaker, not highly motivated, but definitely will follow up.
I'm back, baby. Took almost 2 weeks off. Went to Switzerland, went to Greece, had an awesome time. A lot of shit happened here while I was gone. Blake decided to wreck the new company car. That was fun. Sean got dragged out of here by an ambulance. But on a bright note, the team did get 8 contracts while I was gone. I made a bet with them that if they get 10 contracts, I would take them out to a nice steak dinner. They got close, definitely a good effort, but a lot's happened over the last few weeks. I hear there was an issue with some coffee creamer in the office. I'm getting brought up to speed on a lot of stuff.
What do we finally get?
2 delicious bottles of French vanilla creamer. I had a secret stash.
Dylan's gonna drink it all.
I had a secret stash that I had to tap into a couple times, so now that can go back to being my stash. So,
Bottom line, I got a chance to relax. Stuff continued to go. That is the best part about having a business. This is the first time I have left this brand new team. They got 8 contracts while I was gone. I'm sure if I gave them a couple more days, they'd knock out a few more. But it always feels good to see a team succeeding when I am not here. I can come back and the company continued while I was gone. I'm able to go have a good time. That's what business ownership is all about. So if you're working on growing your business, this is what you need to aim for. You need to get people in the door that you can trust to run the operation while you're gone. This is the first time I truly felt good leaving a team. They are going to continue to work. They're not going to go take 2-hour lunches. They're not going to go drink on lunch. They are going to actually sit and hammer stuff and work harder when I'm gone. And I absolutely love that.
What you got?
What do I got? Chocolate.
You mean chocolate?
Not the movie, the chocolate.
You're not fucking French, Pete. It's called chocolate.
I have never seen the movie actually, but Swiss. It's pretty good.
No.